Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with SN. Today video I will show you how to create a stunning design in Canva. Let's start. Go to Canva, open any project, go to text, add a text box, type surfing, then go to font, select font as you want, then resize it. Then go to elements and search wave. Then go to graphics, choose any type of graphic as you want, then rotate it almost 90 degree. Then go to flip horizontal, vertical, resize it, then go to elements and search shape, select a square shape, drag it and resize it, right click and go to layers, show layers, then select on background color to black, then select text color to white, then select shape and select white color, again select shape, color, select white, share, download it, PNG as download, then upload it, add new page, go to elements, search kite surfing, go to photos and select any photo as you want, drag it and resize it, then go to flip horizontal, then upload the picture you already created, select the photo, edit photo, remove background, then resize it like this. First page I don't need, so I delete it. Also you want to create a video project, select any video as you want, select video, right click, layers, send to backward, flip horizontal. This is the final result. If you want to like this tutorial, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest update. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.